This is the story of Aaron the Ice Cube. This is Aaron the Ice Cube. And since he's an ice cube, it means that he's a solid. And for him to stay solid, the temperature has to be, and the temperature is about 5 degrees Celsius, which is why he's still an ice cube. And he's cooking, although he doesn't really know that. And since he's a solid, his intermolecular distance is very small, meaning the water molecules barely have any energy. This means the molecules are stationary and can't move, which means which causes the H2O to be solid. And since he's frying, he's heating, he's getting more energy. And now he's melting. He's now a liquid. And now that he's a liquid, the intermolecular distance has increased, giving more energy to the molecules. Now they have more energy, so they can move around, causing the ice to become water. Now that the heat has increased at around 50 degrees Celsius, which is why the molecules have energy in the first place, and also why he's water. Aaron has now reached the boiling point of water, which is 100 degrees Celsius. And now that the water is boiling, Aaron is much lighter, and the boiling gives much more energy to the molecules. This means that the molecules have much more space to move around, and that means that the molecules can get much more energy in. And since the particles have so much energy, he can now float. And due to him floating, he's starting to head towards the bathroom and the cold mirror within. Aaron is heading towards the bathroom at top speed and will soon crash. Since the mirror is cold, he will condensate back to water, which will cause his particles to lose energy, and the intermolecular distance will shrink. Now that Aaron has condensated, his particles have lost energy in space. Now the particles can't move around as much, and their energy has decreased. He is now plain H2O. But he is sliding down the mirror and is about to hit the counter, and freeze. He will freeze because the counter is surprisingly cold. He hit the counter and is frozen back into solid ice. His intermolecular distance is barely open now, and the molecules have zero energy. He has now a fixed shape, and his energy was taken away when Aaron froze, because heat gives energy and cold takes it away.